and we'll also get you an interview with a TV presenter, TV anchor, Khadija Amin, who has been told by the Taliban. Remember all this talk about how moderate Taliban has become? They've told anchors, female anchors of the state broadcaster, don't come to work. That's their face. Can we trust them? That's the question we'll keep on asking. And on the Coup app, we had this poll, we carried out a poll where we asked this simple question. Will trusting Taliban be a global mistake? 92% of you say yes, 8%, only 8% of you, entitled to your opinion, say 8%, say no. All right, before we head into a short break, here is that interview with Khadija Amin. Let's play that out. All right, joining us right now is Khadija Amin. She's an anchor, TV anchor, who was turned away because the Taliban asked the organization to do so. Khadija, thank you very much. First of all, really admire you for your courage to come out and speak about this. Would you like to tell our viewers what exactly happened?
Thank you. Yeah, I'm Khadija Amin. I'm a news presenter in national TV of Afghanistan. On Sunday, when we went to office, everything was normal, but suddenly they said for us that to leave the office. So हम लोगों को मजबूर किया गया कि तुम लोग ऑफिस छोड़कर अपने घर पर जाइए. And I come back to home, and it's about 6 days that we are at home. One day I went to office. I talked with them that please allow me. I want to come to continue my work as an anchor. They said no.
जी खदीजा, मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूं कि आपको क्या लगता है कि क्यों आपको वापस घर भेजा गया? तालिबान ने कहा इसलिए?
तालिबान ने कहा कि अभी तुम लोगों को घर पर रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि हम लोगों का अभी कुछ भी मालूम नहीं है, पता नहीं है कि क्या होगा. अब तक हम लोगों ने ये डिसाइड नहीं किया है कि women can come to TV or not. So you might stay at your home and just wait for our call. We will call you and we will tell you that you can continue or not. This is now it's not fair because there's nothing clear. No one knows that what will happen. So in this case, you might be at home.
खदीजा जी, तालिबान बार-बार हर किसी को ये कह रहा है कि अब हम विमेन्स राइट्स में विश्वास रखते हैं, औरतों को रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, वो अपना काम कर सकती हैं, वो कुछ भी कर सकती हैं. आपको लगता है कि तालिबान की इस बात को ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं? कैन यू ट्रस्ट द तालिबान व्हेन दे से दिस?
मैंने उन लोगों को ये भी कहा कि अगर तुम लोग चाहते हो कि लोग तुम पर विश्वास करें, तुम लोगों पर ट्रस्ट करें, तो मुझे इजाजत दीजिए कि मैं जाऊं और न्यूज़ प्रेजेंट करूं. ये बहुत मुहिम है, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है for all of us. If you allow me that I come here in national TV, I present news, so everyone will trust and they will say, yeah, now the Taliban changed. They respect the women, they respect the women rights. So this is very important for me, for everyone that who are living in Afghanistan or all around the world. It's important that once you allow me that I present news. So yes, you're saying for us that we have respect to you, to all women. So please allow me to I present the news. This is very important because now there's not any woman reporter in national TV, and there's not any woman anchor in national TV right now. Just there are all men.
Khadija, I want to ask you this question. Do you trust the Taliban? Can you trust them? आप भरोसा कर सकती हैं उन पे?
मैं चाहती हूँ कि उन लोगों पर भरोसा करूँ, क्योंकि उन लोगों ने कहा कि we respect women. So it's very early that I say, no, we can't trust. Up to tomorrow morning, I'm just waiting for this that they call me and tell me, Khadija, now you can come and you can continue your job. So I'm just waiting up to tomorrow. Tomorrow everything will become clear that if they allow me, so maybe if they tomorrow they didn't say for me or call me and they stopped to stop me, that they didn't allow me to go office. So we will decide that no, Taliban didn't change the past 20 years ago, Taliban, and they don't have any respect to women. But I think it's early. We might. I want to wait up to tomorrow. That's what will happen.
Khadija, as a journalist, when you see images of women crying, women upset, do you think that they are responding to the images of the past? कि इतिहास में पिछला जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है उनका, उसकी वजह से women are unhappy with the fact that the Taliban is back.
Yeah. Everyone have जब 20 years ago Taliban was in Afghanistan, everyone have very bad memories from them. So now the women can't accept that they be in Afghanistan and their regime be in Afghanistan. All women that are living in Afghanistan, they are unhappy from them. They have lots of very bad memories from that time. On that time, I was maybe 7 or 8 years old. So I don't remember that time, but sometimes my mom or some other women, my aunt, they are telling me the stories about that regime. So I think the woman can accept the Taliban be in Afghanistan.
That's going to be my final question to you. आपको लगता है that women stand a chance of any form of equality in a Taliban regime? Can the Taliban ever respect women? The fact that they never respected democracy, do you think that they can respect women?
I will just ask from Taliban, if you're saying that we respect women, so why in these during of the from the agreement that Afghanistan, the Taliban and America signed, why in these duration just from the Taliban side just the men were, from Afghanistan side we had women, but from Taliban side there was no one, there was not any woman. So why? If you respect the women, so why it was like this? And now we must wait just for up to tomorrow that what they are going to decide, what's their decision about working women, especially in TV, because in other private TVs, they don't have any problem. The anchor of private TVs are still working. But in national TV and governmental TV, they didn't allow us.
Let's hope that if they say that women will get their rights, that is exactly what happens. Because if it does not happen, this will just be tall speak and not the reality. Because the reality, we all know. Khadija, thank you so much for joining us. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
You're welcome.